Hi, today I wanted to share with you how to improve the functionality of non-N95 masks using super hydrophobic coatings such as this. This is a product known as NeverWet. Potentially we could use this to spray down the masks on the outside only and thereby avoiding airborne particulates from getting in. It would add another additional barrier to the functionality of this masks and thereby repel the liquids or the aerosol material that would try to get through this mask. Another idea I've had is how to improve the seal function of these masks or any other mask such as the cloth type. And I wanted to show you how to do that using just regular tape. So we're going to go ahead and cut up pieces of tape. Like so. And then loop it around like so, making it into a double-sided tape. And then we're going to position it around the mask, bending it over slightly. So now you can see the tape goes all around the mask, overlapping each section. This will then be worn like such. As you can see, even without the strap, the mask has a pretty good hold on my face. I'm just making sure all the tape adheres to my face as best as possible. And then this can go around, and you can breathe out, checking for air leak. Here you can press down a little bit more. And thereby creating a seal that makes this mask, these type of masks, better. Now we're going to try to use MERV 13 air filter membrane to make a mask. This, you can see I already cut a piece out. These have the metal mesh that's on the membrane itself. This gives it a little bit of structure, so you can remove these, but I prefer not to. I do tape the edges, so there's no sharp edges that's going to pull my face. So after cutting this section out, what I do is I actually take a large piece of cloth like so, and then I spray one side down using the NeverWet solution, the super hydrophobic solution. That way it gives me a primary barrier before the mask is made. So you can see here, I prefer to fold it like this. This way I have more area to tie the knot later on. So after folding it like such, I insert this membrane in the middle, like so, making sure it's taut and pulled up. Now I'll do the same thing utilizing the tape and making a long piece that creates a double-sided tape. It's easier to do here, like so. Like this. We'll also do that at the bottom. Now we have the super hydrophobic layer on the outside. We have the membrane, the air filtration on the middle, and then we have the tape, double-sided tape for the air seal. This can now be picked up and then placed on your face, like so. And then we tie the first knot there. Here, I bend the middle down making sure it's secure. The tape as well. I take the last two edges here, and then I wrap them as well, or I tie them. Like so. Thereby creating a mask when you don't have N95 levels available.